New spark plugs won't magically unlock better MPG, but the wrong plugs, or a misfire, absolutely can drain your fuel. A lot of drivers here just throw fresh plugs in it and your gas mileage will jump. That sounds nice, because spark plugs are cheap compared to most repairs. But here's the honest mechanic answer. If your plugs are still within their service life and the engine is running properly, replacing them early usually won't give you a noticeable fuel economy boost. Fuel economy is mostly controlled by how the engine is managed: air, fuel, compression, sensors, and driving conditions, not just the plugs. Where spark plugs matter is when they're worn enough to cause weak spark, incomplete combustion, or misfires. That's when you can lose MPG, power, and smoothness. The trick is knowing the difference between preventive maintenance and parts cannon. Let's dig a little bit deeper. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Why early plug replacement usually doesn't change MPG. Modern engines are designed to run efficiently over a wide range of conditions. As long as the spark is strong and consistent, the ECU can keep the air-fuel mixture dialed in. Even if plugs are a bit aged, the computer often compensates without a big MPG penalty until the spark quality drops far enough that combustion becomes unstable. So if you replace plugs at, say, 3,000 miles when the factory interval is 60 to 100,000 miles, depending on plug type and engine, you might feel nothing. Maybe a slightly smoother idle if the old plugs were borderline, but not a dramatic, wow, I'm saving fuel now change. When new spark plugs actually can improve fuel economy. Spark plugs can improve MPG. When the old ones are causing a problem the computer can't fully hide. The big one is a misfire. Misfires waste fuel, stress the catalytic converter, and often cause the ECU to add fuel in ways that reduce efficiency. Even small, intermittent misfires can lower MPG without feeling like a full-blown breakdown. Plugs can also help when the wrong type is installed, the gap is incorrect, or the engine has ignition stress from worn coils or high resistance in the system. In those cases, you're not boosting MPG, you're restoring the engine to normal operation. The real MPG killers people blame on spark plugs. If your fuel economy dropped suddenly, spark plugs are rarely the only story. Low tire pressure, dragging brakes, clogged air filter, a dirty MAF sensor, a sticking thermostat, failing oxygen sensors, and short-trip driving can all cut MPG. Even a small vacuum leak can change fuel trims and make the engine run lean or unstable. Many drivers replace plugs early because it feels like easy maintenance, but the real issue is somewhere else. How to tell if your plugs are actually due. The best guide is the manufacturer interval because plug life depends on plug material and engine design. Iridium and platinum plugs usually last much longer than basic copper plugs. If you're under the recommended mileage and the engine runs smooth with no misfire codes, replacing early is more about peace of mind than MPG. If you are near or past the interval, then yes, replace them. Not because it's a magic fuel economy hack, but because worn plugs eventually cause real problems, and you don't want that happening at the worst time. The smart diagnostic approach before you buy parts. Before buying plugs, check for evidence of an actual ignition or combustion issue. A basic OBD2 scanner can show pending misfire codes or fuel trim issues that point toward a real cause of lost MPG. If you see misfire counts rising on one cylinder, then plugs, coils, or an injector issue becomes a logical next step. If fuel trims are way off, you may be looking at a vacuum leak, MAF problem, or fuel delivery issue instead. If you do replace plugs, do it correctly. The wrong plug type, wrong heat range, or over-tightening can create new problems. A plug change should be maintenance, not a gamble. Tools that help you diagnose and fix it. You don't need a full shop to do this the right way, but a few tools make a huge difference. An OBD2 scanner lets you check misfire codes and see if the engine is running rich or lean. A spark plug socket with an extension and ratchet makes the job possible without rounding anything off. A torque wrench helps you avoid cracking a plug or damaging threads in the cylinder head. A feeler gauge can verify gap on plugs that require it, and a small amount of dielectric grease is useful for coil boots on many vehicles. I've prepared a list of the tools that actually help with spark plug diagnosis and replacement, and I'll leave that tool list in the video description. Replacing spark plugs early usually won't increase MPG unless your current plugs are already causing weak spark, misfires, or unstable combustion. If your car is running well and you're not near the service interval, the MPG gain is typically tiny or non-existent. If your MPG dropped, use basic diagnostics first, because the real fix might be a brake dragging, a sensor issue, or a vacuum leak. Replace plugs when they're due and when symptoms or scan data say it's time.